Okay. Oh, and then the grit. Right. So it measures.
Measuring those inside corners.
Gotcha.
Right.
On all four?
Yeah. So it's doing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Gotcha.
Just to get you a more exact
Yeah.
design. Even though the cameras are pretty exact.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
That little finer tune.
So can you? So the cameras are there. It'll just locate where the doors are.
You have to understand what the profile is.
Okay.
It's actually even picking up this profile too.
Yeah.
But now, realistically, it's not going to scan that. But it knows to scan. I'm doing this surface and I'm doing this inside surface.
Gotcha.
And I know, hey, it's half cocked on the table.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. And can you remove one of those boards?
Not when it's running.
Not when it's running? Okay.
You tried to move that
Oh,
thing.
yeah, okay. I got you.
Because it is the vacuum tape that's happening.
Yeah.
And you want it to be solid.
And what's the table size on this one?
Table size is
36 by 80.
yeah.
Okay.
So for a good 90% of those cabinet doors,
Yeah.
stuff, it's like,
And then the vacuum's off.
yeah.
Gotcha. Oh, so it's going over to the other side now. And it can determine that there's two panels in there.
Exactly. That's what the cameras are for. Is to determine how many pieces are on the table.
And let's say it's like an end panel. So one question I had was, if let's say it's an end panel, you've got like a kick on the bottom, let's say 12 inches
Right.
of a rail, will it stay in that 12-inch rail like a, or do you know what I mean? Like,
Kind of. I'm still also learning.
yeah, because it's a 6-inch pad.
Right.
Let's say instead of
But you
two
can-
center panels,
So you don't have to use the 6-inch round disc.
yeah.
Okay. So if you're doing something a little unique, that's going to be one of your recipes.
Okay.
That you're going to help teach and say, look, I'm doing something unique on this side of the table.
Okay.
And you set up your pieces accordingly,
Okay.
right? And then you can go from that way.
Yeah, I don't even need to be recorded. This is just fun. And so it'll find that one just like that. Neat. Will it ever do profiles?
No, they do have another version, a higher end version that will do contours.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Now, is it within most people's budget? It's $500,000.
What's this one?
330,000.
330?
Yeah.
And then what do you guys do for like the installer? Like, is it easy?
That's all included.
Okay.
So usually they got about 3-4 days of install and
Oh, wow.
training. So usually the first day is that